Hello, beautiful design lovers. Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, where we transform houses into homes with style and heart. I'm absolutely thrilled to share today's cozy Christmas journey with you. We're diving deep into farmhouse holiday magic that'll make your neighbors stop and stare. If you're ready to create that perfect rustic Christmas glow, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell because we've got 20 incredible spaces to style together. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you love farmhouse charm, and I can't wait to read your holiday decorating stories in the comments below. Let's start with your home's beautiful bones, that gorgeous farmhouse facade that sets the stage for everything magical. The key to authentic farmhouse style lies in embracing natural materials and weathered textures that tell a story. Think classic board damp battens siding painted in crisp whites or soft grays, paired with black metal roofing that adds dramatic contrast. For Christmas, we're enhancing these architectural elements rather than overwhelming them. Consider adding simple cedar garland along your roofline, secured with discreet clips. The beauty of farmhouse design is its understated elegance. We want our holiday decor to feel like a natural extension of your home's character, not a costume it's wearing. Your entryway is where the farmhouse Christmas magic truly begins, setting the tone for everything inside. Start with a sturdy wooden coat rack in weathered oak or reclaimed barnwood. Functionality meets rustic charm beautifully here. Add woven baskets underneath for shoes, lined with burlap for the authentic farmhouse touch. A vintage-inspired mirror with a distressed frame reflects light and makes the space feel larger, while a simple wooden bench provides practical seating. For Christmas, drape garland along the coat hooks and add battery-operated warm white lights for gentle ambience. A seasonal doormat in natural fibers welcomes guests, while brass hooks for keys add those important finishing touches that make daily life smoother. The farmhouse living room during Christmas should feel like the warmest hug you've ever received. Inviting, comfortable, and utterly magical. Center your space around a substantial coffee table. Preferably reclaimed wood with visible grain and character marks that tell stories of years past. Layer your seating with linen and burlap throw pillows in cream, sage, and soft reds, creating depth through natural textures. The secret to farmhouse Christmas living room styling lies in mixing materials. Think galvanized metal vessels filled with fresh pine boughs, vintage wooden boxes overflowing with ornaments, and mason jar luminaries casting gentle shadows. Add plaid throws in traditional red and green, but choose muted, dusty versions that won't overpower your neutral palette. Every element should feel intentional yet effortless. Transform your farmhouse dining room into a Christmas wonderland that celebrates both gathering and gratitude with thoughtful, layered styling. Your dining table becomes the stage for holiday storytelling. Start with a natural burlap runner down the center, then layer vintage brass candlesticks at varying heights for dramatic lighting. Incorporate fresh greenery in galvanized containers, mixing pine, eucalyptus, and holly for texture and fragrance that fills the room with holiday spirit. Choose dinnerware that reflects farmhouse authenticity. Cream-colored stoneware, vintage-inspired glassware, and simple linen napkins tied with twine and small pine sprigs. The beauty lies in imperfection. Mix and match pieces that look collected over time rather than purchased as a matching set, creating an inviting atmosphere where memories are made. The farmhouse kitchen during Christmas should radiate warmth while maintaining its hard-working heart. This is where holiday magic gets made. From cookie baking to hot cocoa preparation, style your open shelving with a mix of everyday dishes and seasonal touches. White ironstone platters, wooden cutting boards, and mason jars filled with holiday spices create visual interest and practical beauty. Drape simple garland along cabinet tops, keeping it understated so it doesn't compete with your kitchen's natural charm. Add seasonal towels in buffalo check patterns, and place small potted herbs like rosemary and thyme on windowsills for both cooking and decoration. Your coffee station becomes extra special with a vintage-inspired machine surrounded by cinnamon sticks, dried orange slices, and warm string lights for cozy morning moments. Farmhouse kitchen cabinets during Christmas become opportunities for subtle seasonal touches that enhance rather than overwhelm your space's natural beauty. Inside glass front cabinets, range holiday dishes mixed with everyday pieces. Stack white plates with red transferware for gentle color introduction, and display vintage cookie tins that serve double duty as storage and decoration. The key is restraint and intentionality. Not every shelf needs holiday treatment, just strategic touches that feel organic. Add battery-operated LED strips inside cabinets for gentle illumination that highlights your beautiful collections. Consider replacing standard cabinet knobs temporarily with vintage-inspired hardware in brushed brass or oil-rubbed bronze. Small changes that make significant visual impact while maintaining farmhouse authenticity throughout the holiday season. Even modern appliances can embrace farmhouse Christmas spirit with thoughtful styling that bridges contemporary convenience and rustic charm beautifully together. For your refrigerator, create a simple magnetic display using vintage-inspired clips to hold holiday cards, family photos, and children's Christmas artwork. This personal touch makes the space feel lived in and loved. Add a small wreath made from eucalyptus and tied with burlap ribbon to the freezer handle for subtle seasonal acknowledgement. Round your stove area, incorporate practical holiday elements like hanging wooden spoons tied with red ribbon, or place a small galvanized tray with essential oils and pine and cinnamon scents nearby. The goal is creating cohesion throughout the kitchen while ensuring every modern convenience maintains its farmhouse integration during this magical season. Transform your coffee station into a farmhouse Christmas haven that makes every morning feel like a holiday celebration worth savoring. Create a dedicated corner with a vintage-inspired coffee machine as your anchor piece, surrounded by mason jars filled with seasonal coffee beans, cinnamon sticks, and dried orange peels for natural fragrance. Add a small wooden sign with holiday coffee quotes, and incorporate mini string lights wound around a small evergreen branch for gentle ambient lighting. Use a galvanized tray to corral everything together, maintaining the organized farmhouse aesthetic we love so much. Include vintage-style mugs in cream and soft red colors, and add a small chalkboard menu featuring seasonal drink options like peppermint mocha or cinnamon latte for charming authenticity. The farmhouse family room during Christmas should be the ultimate retreat where comfort meets celebration in perfect harmony. Arrange seating round your television in a way that encourages conversation and connection. Think oversized sectionals in neutral linen or weathered leather, paired with vintage wooden coffee tables and storage ottomans. Layer the space with textured throws in buffalo check and cable knit patterns, adding pillows that incorporate both farmhouse neutrals and subtle holiday colors. Create a Christmas vignette on floating shelves or a console table beneath your TV, mixing framed family photos with small evergreen arrangements and battery-operated candles for warm lighting. The secret is making this space feel collected over time rather than decorated all at once, ensuring every holiday gathering feels naturally cozy. Creating a farmhouse office space that embraces Christmas spirit while maintaining productivity requires thoughtful balance and intentional design choices that inspire both work and wonder. Position a simple wooden desk near natural light, adding a vintage desk lamp and small radio for ambient sound during work sessions. Incorporate a unique small desk clock in brass or distressed wood that adds farmhouse character while serving practical purposes. For Christmas touches, add a small potted evergreen in a galvanized container, and string battery-operated lights along your bulletin board or window frame. Keep holiday decor minimal and meaningful, Perhaps a single vintage ornament hanging from your desk lamp or a small wooden Christmas tree on a bookshelf, ensuring your workspace remains functional while embracing seasonal joy and farmhouse authenticity. Design a farmhouse reading nook that becomes your personal Christmas sanctuary, where holiday stories come alive and peaceful moments flourish beautifully. Create this cozy corner with a comfortable upholstered chair in linen or soft gray fabric, paired with a vintage wooden side table for books and warm beverages. Add a floor lamp with a burlap shade for perfect reading light, and layer the space with a chunky knit throw in cream or soft red colors. For Christmas magic, incorporate a small tabletop tree decorated with miniature books as ornaments, and add a basket filled with holiday novels and magazines nearby. The key is creating intimacy within the larger space. Use area rugs to define the zone, and add personal touches like family photos or handwritten holiday cards that make this retreat uniquely yours. The farmhouse master bedroom during Christmas should whisper holiday magic rather than shout it, creating serene spaces that promote rest while embracing seasonal joy gently. Focus on textiles that enhance comfort. Swap regular pillowcases for linen versions in cream or soft sage. And add a buffalo check throw folded at the foot of your bed for subtle pattern introduction. Place small evergreen arrangements in mason jars on nightstands, keeping the scale intimate and personal. Consider adding battery-operated string lights behind your headboard for gentle ambient lighting that creates magical atmosphere without overwhelming the restful nature of the space. The farmhouse bedroom celebrates simplicity, so choose one or two meaningful Christmas elements rather than multiple decorations that might disrupt the peaceful sanctuary you've created for holiday rejuvenation. Prepare your farmhouse guest bedroom for Christmas visitors with welcoming touches that make everyone feel like family during this special season of togetherness. Layer the bed with crisp white linens, adding a vintage quilt in holiday colors, and a few throw pillows that incorporate seasonal patterns without overwhelming the space's tranquil nature. Place a small welcome basket on the dresser filled with locally made soaps, holiday treats, and perhaps a paperback Christmas novel for evening reading. Add fresh greenery in a simple mason jar, and include battery-operated candles for guests to enjoy gentle lighting. The farmhouse approach to guest rooms emphasizes comfort and authenticity over perfection. Choose vintage furniture pieces with character. Add personal touches like framed holiday quotes, and ensure every detail contributes to making your guests feel genuinely welcomed and cherished. Transform your farmhouse bathroom into a holiday retreat that combines function with festive charm through thoughtful details and practical beauty. Replace everyday towels with versions in buffalo check or subtle holiday colors, and add a small evergreen arrangement in a galvanized container on the vanity counter. The key is maintaining cleanliness and function while introducing seasonal elements that feel intentional rather than cluttered. Consider adding a holiday-scented candle in glass containers that complement your farmhouse aesthetic, and swap regular soap dispensers for vintage-inspired versions in brass or distressed finishes. Small changes make significant impact. Add a seasonal hand towel with embroidered details. Place pine-scented sachets in drawers, and ensure your bathroom maintains its peaceful, spa-like quality while embracing gentle Christmas touches that make daily routines feel more special. Create a farmhouse shower and bath experience that turns daily routines into holiday rituals worth savoring and celebrating. Add eucalyptus bundles to your shower head. The steam releases natural aromatherapy that transforms ordinary showers into spa-like experiences while adding beautiful green elements that photograph gorgeously. Choose bath products in seasonal scents like pine, cinnamon, and vanilla, displayed in vintage glass containers that maintain farmhouse authenticity. Include a small wooden stool or ladder shelf for holding these luxurious essentials, and add battery-operated candles around the top edge for safe ambient lighting during evening baths. The farmhouse bathroom during Christmas should feel like a retreat from holiday busyness. Incorporate natural materials, soothing scents, and gentle lighting that promotes relaxation while maintaining the clean, functional aesthetic that defines authentic farmhouse design throughout every season. Don't forget your farmhouse garage when planning Christmas decor. This hard-working space can embrace holiday spirit while maintaining its essential organizational function beautifully. Install simple wooden shelving systems that showcase both holiday storage and everyday necessities in an attractive, accessible way. Use matching storage bins in natural materials like wicker or galvanized metal, clearly labeled for different holiday items, lights, ornaments, garlands, and seasonal clothing. Add hooks along walls for hanging wreaths and outdoor decorations, keeping everything visible and easy to access when decorating season arrives. Include a small potted evergreen near the entrance door for subtle seasonal acknowledgement, and ensure adequate lighting for safe navigation during dark winter months. The farmhouse guide combines practicality with aesthetic appeal, proving that even utilitarian spaces can contribute to your home's overall holiday charm and organizational success. Extend your farmhouse Christmas celebration onto the patio with weatherproof decorations that create magical outdoor living spaces perfect for holiday entertaining. String commercial-grade lights along pergola beams or fence lines, choosing warm white LEDs that withstand winter weather while creating enchanting ambience for evening gatherings. Add outdoor furniture in natural materials, teak benches with weather-resistant cushions in buffalo check patterns, and galvanized planters filled with winter greenery and berry branches. Include battery-operated lanterns for safe lighting during dinner parties, and add outdoor rugs in neutral colors that define seating areas while maintaining farmhouse authenticity. Consider installing a small fire pit surrounded by log seating for cozy conversations under winter stars, creating outdoor spaces that feel like natural extensions of your indoor farmhouse Christmas celebration throughout the entire holiday season. Now, we arrive at the star of our farmhouse Christmas journey, the porch that started our magical transformation and deserves the most attention to detail. Layer your porch styling with varying heights and textures, large galvanized planters filled with evergreen arrangements, medium-sized wooden boxes with battery-operated lights, and small vintage elements that add personality and charm. Create symmetry with matching elements on either side of your front door, but include slight variations that prevent the look from feeling too formal or manufactured. Add comfortable seating with weather-resistant cushions in holiday colors, ensuring your porch invites lingering and conversation. The key to masterful farmhouse porch styling lies in mixing natural and man-made elements thoughtfully. Combine fresh greenery with vintage signs, modern lighting with antique containers, creating layers that tell your family's unique Christmas story while maintaining authentic farmhouse appeal. Congratulations, design friends! We've just completed an incredible farmhouse Christmas journey together, transforming every corner of your home into a winter wonderland that celebrates both rustic charm and holiday magic. Remember, the secret to authentic farmhouse Christmas styling lies in restraint, natural materials, and personal touches that reflect your family's unique story and traditions. Don't feel pressured to implement every idea at once. Choose elements that speak to your heart and budget, building your farmhouse Christmas collection over several seasons for that authentic, collected over time feeling we love so much. If this video inspired your holiday decorating plans, please give it a huge thumbs up and share it with friends who love farmhouse style as much as we do. Subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for weekly design inspiration. And don't forget to comment below with photos of your own farmhouse Christmas transformations. I absolutely love seeing how you make these ideas your own. Until next time, keep creating spaces that tell your beautiful story. And may your farmhouse Christmas be filled with love, laughter, and magical memories that last a lifetime.